What's up, y'all? It's your boy Estelle, and today I'm gonna be eating a double with no cheese from In-N-Out. You already know the vibes. If you can't get In-N-Out, get it, cause this shit smack, boy. Cheers. It's good. Usually I get doubles with grilled onions, but sometimes I crave the regular ones with raw onions. It's good either way. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this. Even cold. I've been having this sit on the counter for like 3 hours. It doesn't matter. It's still good. I'd rather eat an In-N-Out burger cold than any other fast food burger hot. I'm serious. Last bite. That shit was good. It was just what I needed. All right, peace.